I wanted to make this video to clarify the relationship between My Kiosk on your device and your app. Let me start by showing you the Publish section in the AVE portal. When you define a new issue in AVE portal, you have 4 checkboxes in the Release section. When these boxes are checked, it means that the issue you are defining is in test mode. The 4 boxes are for iOS, Google Play, Amazon, and our web reader. When these boxes are unchecked, the issue is no longer in test mode. This will automatically use one of your publishing licenses. If you can uncheck these boxes, it means you didn't purchase a publishing license. Also, if you uncheck these boxes and your release date is set to a date in the past, the issue immediately becomes available in your app. If you are using Remote Reader, this means the content will automatically start downloading. If you are using one of our magazine or book templates and the issue is free, that means there is no connection to make to an in-app purchase in iTunes, Google Play, or Amazon. So once you uncheck Test, they are immediately available. If you do have in-app purchases, then those need to be defined and submitted ahead of time in each store in order for those purchases to become available once you uncheck Test. This testing mechanism was developed so that you can test issues within your live app right on your device before you publish. This is basically how it works. On the device you want to test an issue on, you download your live app from the iOS, Google Play, or Amazon store. Next, you need to download My Kiosk. You most likely already have My Kiosk on the device, since you have been using it to send files from InDesign to that device. When you launch My Kiosk, there is a science beaker icon you can click. This is the test section. In the test section, you need to log in with the same username you use for the AVE portal. Once you log in, you have 3 choices. Use this device for test, remove this device from test, and reset issues for the device. When you choose Use this device for test, this means that this device will be able to see issues that are still in test in the Publish section of AVE portal. People who have downloaded your app will not be able to see the issues you are testing because the issues are still in test mode. This means that you can test interactivity in an issue from right within your own live app. When it is time to release the issue to the public, you simply uncheck Test in the Public section of AVE portal under Release. To ensure that you are seeing what the public sees, you can log back into My Kiosk in the Test section and choose to remove this device from test. Now you can be sure that you are seeing exactly what the public sees. This is the process for testing issues before you release them to the public. Finally, there is the Reset Issues for Device command in Test. If you have made issues in the Publish section and then deleted them, sometimes you can still see them in your app. Oftentimes people are worried that this is what the public sees as well within your app. To clean your app and remove these cached issues, log into Test and add your device. Now that your device is added, you can reset the issue. Now you can remove the device. You will no longer see those issues that once existed, and you can be sure this is what the public is seeing in your app. The most important thing to take away from this video is that even though My Kiosk and your app are 2 separate apps, there is a connection made between the 2 apps when you log in and use the device as a test device. This is our issue testing workflow. Thanks for watching.